Hello friend, in this video we will see how to get a help for any screen field. Screen field means any field available on SAP screen. Okay, another point is how to find table field for screen field. Okay, and the last I will show you how to get a help for any SAP ABAP keyword. Okay, so first how to get a help for screen field. So suppose VA01, which is a transaction code for to create a sales order. So I'm executing VA01. I have entered VA01 in command box and I'm pressing enter. Okay, so this is SAP screen. Okay, this screen is for to create sales order initial screen. So here you can see the order type screen field. Okay, so order type, which is one of the screen field within this SAP screen. So I want to know what is this order type. Okay, so put a cursor on this field, okay, and press F1 and you can read the help available for the screen field. Okay, clear? Same, I am closing this window. Suppose for sales organization, okay, put a cursor on sales organization screen field, press F1 and here is some information regarding the sales organization. Okay, clear? Now the next point, how to find a table field for a screen field. So now on this screen you know this order type is one of the screen field and you want to know which table field belong to the order type screen field. Okay, so put a cursor again on the field, screen field, press F1. Okay, after that click on technical information. After that click on technical information. So you can see this screen. Here you can see the table name and the field name. Okay, otherwise this table name VBAK and AUART is the field. So table name is VBAK and the field within the table is AUART. So this order type screen field is belong to table field VBAK AUART. So within VBAK table the field name is AUART. Clear? Okay, I am closing this window. Now we will check the data. Okay, so while creating a sales order, okay, whatever the order type that user entered, that has to be stored in VBAK table and the field is AUART. Okay, so suppose I am creating a sales order, or we can also take the example of already created a sales order. So in order to display already created sales order, I will execute transaction VA03. Okay, execute the VA03, enter any order name, press enter, and for this order we will check the order type. So order type is the header data, so go to header and sales, click on the sales. So for this order type is OR. Okay, now we will go to VBAK table. I will create another session by clicking this button, create new session. In order to check the data within the table, transaction code is SA16, which is a data browser. Press enter, enter the table name VBAK, press enter and enter the order number 18737 and execute it. And check the field AUART. Okay, TA, you can see for this order it is written TA, but actually it is OR. How we can check that? Double click here. Okay, you can see this AUART is a OR. Okay, so the content within this AUART is OR. So this is how you can find the table field for screen field. Clear? Now here important point to remember is not in all the cases you can directly find the table field reference when you press the F1 on a screen field and go to the technical information. For example, suppose I am putting the cursor on the order type OR, I am pressing F1, I am going into the technical information. So here system has directly provided me the information of table, which is a transparent table, and the field is AUART. But this should not be the case in all. Okay, not in all the cases system will directly show us the table field name. Sometimes it is a structure field as well. Okay, so for a structure field we need to find out the table field, and for that we can take a help of the data element. Okay, so using the data element you can find out the table field. How? Double click on the data element, system will navigate you to the data element display screen and press the where use list. That means wherever system has used this AUART table, AUART data element, not table, sorry, wherever system use this AUART data element, system will provide me the list by pressing this where use list button. Okay, press this. Okay, select this first checkbox table field and execute. So system will provide you the huge, so many tables. Okay, so mostly check the table's name which is not start with the slash. Okay, so go down and one by one you have to check the table. Suppose if I find this VBAK here, see, this is the sales document header data. So this is VBAK, sales document header data. So even while choosing the table, okay, you can read the description and you can guess, okay, this should be the correct table, correct? Okay, so this is one of the option. Another option is even you can check with the functional consultant in your project, even you can Google it. Okay, but this is some common method that we are using in order to find the table field for a screen field. Okay, in some of the cases when you put a cursor on screen field, press F1, go to the technical information, system will directly provide you the field name. In some of the cases system will provide you the structure. So in that cases, open the data element, go to the where use list and try to find out the table. As I told you, another way is you can also confirm the table name with the functional consultant, or even you can Google it. Clear? Now last point that I want to discuss as a part of this session is how to get a help for ABAP keyword. So I'm closing this windows. Okay, so in order to get the help for ABAP keyword, go to tools, ABAP workbench, utilities. You can see this transaction keyword document. So you can execute this ABAP help. So transaction code is ABAP help, HELP. Double click here, or you can execute this transaction code by entering this transaction code in command box and press enter. Okay, I am double clicking ABAP help. Write any keyword. Suppose write is one of the ABAP keyword. Press enter, continue. You can see this small window. Click on the relevant help and system will open the syntax for the right keyword and all the available option. Okay, clear? I am closing this. Another transaction is ABAP DOCU, ABAP docu, example library. You can even double click on this ABAP docu transaction code, and you can same way you can execute this transaction code using the command box here. So I'm double clicking ABAP docu, okay, and system will open one help window. Okay, ABAP documentation, keyword documentation. Suppose format is one of the keyword in ABAP. Enter the format here in the box, press enter, okay, and click on the relevant help, and system will show you the syntax for this format keyword and all the available options that we can use with the format. Clear? So two transaction code to get a help for ABAP keyword. One is ABAP help and another transaction code is ABAP docu. I'm closing this window. Okay, another way to get help for ABAP keyword is, suppose while programming, while coding, you want to know or you want to get a help for any ABAP keyword. Then what you need to do, let me go to transaction SE38, which is ABAP editor through which we can create a ABAP program. So SE38 I am executing. Suppose I am entering some program name. I am creating this sample program. Say really sample. Choose the type. Save button. Local object. Okay, so system will create as this simple report in ABAP. So suppose write hello world. Okay, suppose I want to get a help for write keyword. So put a cursor on write and press F1. System will again open this small window and click on the relevant help. Okay, again you will see the same window. So this is how we can get help for any ABAP keyword while coding. Okay, same way, suppose parameter statement, write the parameter statement, put a cursor on it and press F1. It seems that there are some issues with the system, but I hope you are clear what you need to do. Okay, you need to write that keyword in ABAP program, put a cursor on it and press F1 and system will navigate you to the help window. Okay, clear? I hope you are clear. Thank you.